I'm Storm Center 7 meteorologist Austin Chaney. We are breaking into programming because we just got a brand new severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County, and this is going to go until 10:30 p.m. tonight. Get inside, stay away from windows, as this thunderstorm is really packing a punch with some strong wind gusts right now from Troy to West Milton. So here's the timeline as it continues moving off to the southeast at about 40 miles per hour. It's getting into England. On Saturday morning, we had widespread severe thunderstorms move through north of I-70, and we even had a confirmed tornado near Troy. The estimated winds with that tornado were at about 90 miles per hour. But north of Dayton, north of the interstate, if we get the training of some heavy rain pockets on some saturated ground, we could see those issues pop up. So really be careful tonight. It's dark. If you come across a flooded roadway, you have no idea how deep that water could be. So sure, turn around, don't drown. So let's talk numbers. Northern part of the Miami Valley, where you've already seen a decent bit of snow overnight, will continue to have the heaviest snow throughout the day. By the time all the snow is said and done, I think we could see 8 inches to a foot from Winchester and Indiana to Sydney to Bellefontaine, and then of course Salina and Wapakoneta.
63 hot dogs in 10 minutes.
I don't know how
it's just nuts. I mean, it's impressive, also disgusting.
Oh, yeah. Well, and I haven't watched in a couple years, but I was watching a couple years ago, and old Joey up there was dunking it in water before downing it.
Oh, there's like a whole strategy. Like, it doesn't even seem fun. But the 4th of July barbecues are supposed to be fun and delicious and everything. We have good weather for 4th of July barbecues tonight, but you're now tracking the chance for some severe weather tomorrow.
Yeah, we kind of have to turn the page when we get into tomorrow. It's the same type of weather setup that we had that brought all that severe weather to our area a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
Got that ridge of high pressure down to our south, and these thunderstorm complexes have a tendency to ride right on the periphery of those ridges of high pressure. And a lot of times with these setups also, you have just a tremendous amount of fuel for the storms to work with. So check this out as we go through the day tomorrow. Our thunderstorm energy climbs from basically none in the morning to some really high values once we get past 4 and 5 o'clock on your Tuesday evening. So anything that does fire up late tomorrow into tomorrow evening, even the first part of tomorrow night, is going to have a lot of energy and instability to work with, and that's why we are concerned about that potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Luckily, that's not going to play a role in your forecast for tonight. Here's live Doppler 7 radar. We are all dry, so whether you're trying to devour some hot dogs or just going out to a fireworks show, the weather's not going to slow you down. It will be hot, though. We're currently at 90 degrees here in Dayton, still at 91 degrees in Troy, and 89 degrees right now in Eaton. Lots of sunshine to go around as well. You've noticed a little bit of milkiness to the sky today, especially the further north and west you live. That's some cirrus clouds blowing in, but again, no threat for rain as we go through the first part of this evening. If your 4th of July evening plans take you out to the ballpark tonight, Dayton Dragons are in action with the first pitch at 7:05. It'll be a warm game, still at 90 degrees at 7 o'clock, and then slowly cooling off through the 80s as we get later on in the evening. I think by 9 or 10 p.m. you'll notice more of that cloud cover, a little more mugginess as well. And then eventually tomorrow is when all that gives way to that chance for strong thunderstorms. So again, through tonight, no risk for severe weather here. That is going to stay off to our north and northwest. But watch this. Tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has the entire Miami Valley and really just about the entire state of Ohio in that level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe thunderstorms. The main threat with anything that does develop late tomorrow will be a damaging wind gust to 60 miles per hour. The hail and the isolated tornado threats are lower threats, but still can't rule it out. So it'll be a day to remain weather aware. Here's how Futurecast sees it. Rest of tonight should be dry. Futurecast wants to spit out a few sprinkles across northern parts of the area. You can't totally rule it out, but I don't anticipate any fireworks shows or anything like that getting rained out tonight. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up dry, but you see just to our north, we have that line of showers and thunderstorms. That'll be our first chance for rain tomorrow. So this complex comes through during the morning hours. But that's good for us because in the morning, we won't have all that thunderstorm energy to work with. So you could hear some lightning. There could be some heavy rainfall, but nothing major. We go dry and sunny through the middle part of the day. We get really hot. High temperatures around 90 to 92 degrees with a heat index near 100. And then all that heat, humidity, and instability gives way to our evening thunderstorm chance. And it's those storms that fire up sometime after 4 p.m., more likely by 6 or 7 p.m. Those could get strong and persist into the first part part of tomorrow night. Now, the good part of the forecast, we need some rain. I mean, my backyard is dry. It's cracking. The grass is crunchy. I think we'll get some rain through tomorrow. In fact, these are the rainfall totals through Wednesday morning. If those complexes do sweep through the entire area, all of us could be looking at a solid inch of rain by then, and hopefully some more as we go through the week. Rain chances stay elevated into Wednesday as well. Another chance into Thursday, and kind of like on Tuesday, some of those thunderstorms could be on the stronger side. Rain chances will start to trend downward as we look ahead to Friday and the weekend. So storm tracking alert tomorrow. It's not going to rain all day, but those thunderstorms that we get late in the day could be strong. High of 92. Another chance for thunderstorms on Wednesday and Thursday. Drier, less hot, and lower humidity as we look ahead to the weekend. All right, speaking of the heat, my quiz question for today is, which year did Dayton experience its hottest 4th of July? Was that on 1897 rather, 1978 or 2002? To vote, go on over to our WHIO News app, click Vote Now under the Live tab, cast your ballot, and I'll give you the answer in the next half hour.